Fashion and luxury are unquestionably the most powerful markets in the world. This premium brand excels in terms of strategy. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we will discover how Louis Vuitton became the most valuable luxury brand. But before anything else, please leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell down below so you won't miss our videos. Without any further ado, let's hop on right to the video. Louis Vuitton Malletier, often known as Louis Vuitton or by his initials LV, is a French luxury goods and fashion firm established by Louis Vuitton in 1854. The LV monogram may be seen on almost all of the label's products, including luxury trunks and leather goods, as well as ready-to-wear shoes, jewellery, accessories, sunglasses and books. Louis Vuitton is one of the most prestigious worldwide fashion brands in the world. It offers its items via freestanding boutiques, lease sections in high-end department stores, and through its website's e-commerce section. Louis Vuitton was awarded the world's most valuable luxury brand for 6 years in a row, 2006 to 2012. It was valued at $25.9 billion in 2012. The brand was valued at $28.4 billion in 2013, with sales of $9.4 billion. With over 460 locations globally, the corporation works in 50 countries. Vuitton launched the Louis Vuitton label in 1854 in Rue Neuve des Capucines in Paris, France. The starting price for Louis Vuitton was $10,567. The HJ Cave Ocellite trunk may be simply stacked, according to Louis Vuitton. Vuitton's flat-top trunks with Trianon canvas were invented in 1858, making them lightweight and watertight. Prior to the advent of Vuitton's trunks, rounded top trunks were utilized, which could not be stacked since they were designed to enhance water drainage. For travels, Vuitton's grey Trianon canvas flat trunk enabled them to be easily stacked on top of one another. Vuitton's style and design were eventually emulated by several other luggage manufacturers. The firm took part in the Universal Exhibition in Paris in 1867. While serving as a military observer during the Franco-Prussian War in Paris in 1871, Yama Ueno became the first known Japanese client buying a set of baggage. In 1876, Vuitton altered the Trianon pattern to a beige and brown stripes design to avoid duplication of his style. By 1885, the firm had built its first shop on Oxford Street in London. Due to continued replication of his style, Vuitton designed the Damier canvas pattern in 1888, which had a label reading Marque L. Vuitton Déposé, which translates to L. Vuitton Registered Trademark. Louis Vuitton died in 1892 and his son took over the company's administration. By 2001, Stephen Sprouse had produced a limited edition range of Vuitton bags with graffiti painted over the monogram pattern in cooperation with Marc Jacobs. The graffiti read Louis Vuitton, and the name of the bag on several of the bags, such as Keepal and Speedy. Only Louis Vuitton's VIP client list had access to some items that displayed the graffiti, sans the monogram canvas backdrop. Louis Vuitton celebrated its 150th anniversary in 2004. In addition to New York City, the brand opened shops in Sao Paulo, Mexico City, Cancun, and Johannesburg. In Shanghai, it also established its first worldwide shop. In London, Louis Vuitton erected what they call their most opulent shop in 2010. Kim Jones was recruited as the men ready-to-wear studio and style director by Louis Vuitton in early 2011. While working under Marc Jacobs' aesthetic direction, he rose to become the menswear main designer. Darren Spaziani was recruited as the head of the accessories line in September 2013. On November 4, 2013, the business announced the appointment of Nicolas Guesquière as creative director of women's collections, succeeding Marc Jacobs. In March 2014, Guesquière debuted his first collection for the firm in Paris. Edouard Schneider joined Louis Vuitton as head of press and public relations on April 7, 2014, reporting to Frederick Winkler, the company's communication and events director. Virgil Abloh was appointed creative director of menswear on March 26, 2018, replacing Kim Jones, who had left for Dior. LV took the first position in BrandZ's top 10 most valuable luxury brands in 2019, with a value of $47.2 billion during the 2018 Paris Men's Fashion Week and staged in the ancient Palais Royal Gardens courtyard. On January 15, 2020, the business purchased the Sewelô diamond, the second largest raw diamond ever discovered, from Lucara Diamond, who mined it in Botswana. Because of its reputation as a prestige symbol, Louis Vuitton is one of the most counterfeited brands in the fashion industry. The trademark monogram canvas, ironically, was developed to prevent counterfeiting. Famous models, artists, and actors such as Léa Seydoux, Jennifer Lopez, Keith Richards, Kim Kardashian, Madonna, Sean Connery, Matthias Schoenaerts, Angelina Jolie, Gisele Bündchen, Mikhail Gorbachev, JO1, and David Bowie have all appeared in Louis Vuitton marketing campaigns. Brand Z has ranked Louis Vuitton the most valuable luxury brand in 2019. The brand value of the French fashion business has increased by 15% in the last year to $47.2 billion. According to Brand Z, Louis Vuitton's success is still based on its characteristic leather products and unrivaled inventiveness across all product categories. According to Brand Z, much of the recent increase may be ascribed to the luxury companies catering to both older, traditional consumers who wish to be identified with the luxury market's inclusive and youthful ethos, and younger customers who want to be part of a luxury brand. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.